Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're an oldie but goodie, welcome back. So in today's video, I'll be discussing on how you can actually make more revenue as a content creator slash influencer during this holiday season. Now, even though this video is titled for the holiday season, that does not mean that you can only use this video during this season. You can actually use this video all year round. It will be beneficial all year round, but there are a few things that I will be mentioning in today's video that is focused towards the holiday season. So if you are interested in learning how you can actually boost your revenue as a content creator during this holiday season, definitely stay tuned. But before we even start this good old video, if you are new to this channel, go ahead and click that red button down below. Join the Tam Kam fam. If you do enjoy this video at the end, definitely give this video a nice thumbs up. And don't forget to leave a comment down below about your thoughts and any type of questions that you may have. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So if you have been following me for a while, you already know whenever I do any type of informative type of video, I already have my notebook here of all of the tips and tricks and all of that I will be discussing in today's video. So I definitely need for you to actually grab out your paper, your pen, your wine, your tea, your coffee, all of that, because this will be an informational long video. So let's get started. The first one on how you can actually boost your revenue as a content creator during this holiday season is actually using Magic Links. So if you are not familiar with Magic Links is actually a website where you can actually make customizable links towards products that you do promote. If you are promoting like products that's on Target.com in a skincare video, or if you're doing like a clothing haul or something like that, you can actually link those specific products and link them on Magic Links, and it will make a smaller customizable link, and you can actually place those links on your description box, on your Instagram story, wherever you like to promote links. And whenever your fans or your audience actually click on those links and purchase those items, you actually make a commission off of every single purchase when your audience actually do use those links. So that's one way on how you can actually make money as a content creator during this holiday time. A lot of people during the holiday time do a lot of gift guides or fashion type of looks and hauls. This is the best time to use Magic Links because you can link all of those products that you do mention inside your videos down below for people to actually shop. If you have been following me and if you have been noticing in my YouTube description box, whenever I do any type of like skincare video or anything like that, majority of the time, most of the links that I do place in the description box are Magic Links, and you can actually tell because the beginning of the URL has the word magic in it, and that's how you can tell it's a magic link. So all of those links down below are affiliate links or commissionable type of links. So if you do decide to purchase using any of my links, I do make a small commission off of it, so thank you if you do. And that's also a way on how you can actually make money yourself. Also, when it do come to Magic Links, I highly suggest when you do make these links to actually shop your own links. So if you are doing a skincare video per se and you ran out of some product, definitely go back to your video and click on that link and purchase it again if you need to, because you're going to actually make commission off of using your own links. So definitely use the links for other people to shop so you can make commission off of other people shopping, and then you can also make commission off of your own shopping. I will have the link to all of this information that I will be mentioning in today's video down below in the description box for you guys to refer to later on. So the second one on how you can actually boost your revenue as a content creator during the holiday season is actually by using Rakuten. So if you are not familiar with Rakuten, don't worry, I'm going to educate you. So Rakuten is actually a cashback website where you can earn cash back by shopping at your favorite stores. They use over 700 stores from Apple, Sephora, Target, Best Buy, almost any store that you can think of. They use them. And the reason why I am mentioning Rakuten is because of the fact that I love to use Rakuten, especially during the holiday time, if I am like doing giveaways where I can buy products for you guys. Therefore, I am earning cash back whenever I do purchase stuff. A lot of people do not know about Rakuten. When you do referral people to Rakuten, you actually do earn a commission off of every single referral that you do make. Currently right now, with your referral link, if you do refer people to Rakuten, you actually do get a commission of $40, and also the person that does sign up actually gets $40 as well. So it is a win-win situation. So I always promote my Rakuten Rakuten account, definitely if you are not signed up with Rakuten, definitely use my referral link down below. We both get $40 if you do decide to sign up and actually do make $40 worth of purchases. You actually get $40 as well as I get $40. So it's no type of win-lose or lose-win type of situation. We both get the same amount of money, which is bomb.com. So that's also another way for you to earn money during this season. I always promote Rakuten. I mean, not just for the commission wise for myself, but mainly because you just earn a cashback as you shop. I use Rakuten all year round. Whenever I can use Rakuten, I use Rakuten. If I'm shopping during a Sephora sale, I'm using Rakuten. During the holiday season, Rakuten. Buying stuff for my birthday, Rakuten. They have stores, they have Saks on Rakuten. Like, I'm going to use that. So definitely, if you have not gotten a Rakuten account already, definitely use my referral link down below. I will link it down in my description box for you guys to check it out, because when you do use my link and you do shop on Rakuten, you actually do get $40, and sometimes it does change. It might be $30 when I post this, or $20, but either way, whatever you get, I also get. So it's a win-win situation regardless. Okay, so the third way on how you can actually make more money during the holiday time is actually using affiliate links and affiliate coupon code. Any type of brand you are a brand ambassador and you do have a coupon code for it, this is the best time to highly and authentically promote your code. People are spending money like crazy right now, and the last thing people want to do is overspend. So therefore, if you do sit here and be like, you know what, sis, you about to buy that, I do have a code for that, you can actually save 20%, 15%, 10% on your purchase instead of just buying it full price. And even if it is on sale, you can actually add my coupon to get even a bigger discount. So why not? Always use your coupon codes, but use them authentically. Like, you do not want to sit here and just throw your codes all over the place if it just doesn't make sense. You know, if you're sitting here making a skincare video and you using a specific product that you actually have a coupon code for, an affiliate link for, why not promote that code so people can actually purchase and use your code? And if you do not have any type of affiliate links to brands, this is definitely the best time to actually join brand affiliate programs. So if you have a brand, let's say Urban Skin RX, and they have an affiliate program and you use this product genuinely on an every single day basis, why not be an affiliate partner with the brand so you can actually just make money? So the fourth way on how you can actually make more revenue during this holiday season is actually doing brand partnership. This is the biggest way on how you can actually make money as a content creator, specifically during the holiday season. During the holiday season, this is a time where brands uses their biggest budgets to actually promote their product, make the most sales, and this is a time where they use a lot of influencers to actually help promote their brand. So they are using the biggest budgets to sit here and do brand deals, brand partnerships, collabs. They are paying big time. Now, I do understand this is the first week of December is pretty much over. Understand that. And it's kind of like late in the game to kind of like doing holiday partnerships. I always say it doesn't hurt to try to still pitch the brands, because you just never know, especially to smaller brands that may not have like a super duper large budget. You can also pitch like smaller brands to just see like, oh, do you want to do like an Instagram story type of promotion, any type of small promotion that you may have. Brands have money, y'all. During this time, brands are going to pay you most of the time whatever you offer them. I'm just saying, it does not hurt to try to pitch the brands to seal late brand partnerships during the holiday time. And just for future reference, if you do want to do holiday type of campaigns and partnerships, definitely start in October, probably even earlier than that, to shoot for any type of holiday campaigns, y'all, because they are paying influencers like crazy. This is a big market, paying market, especially during the holiday time. Also, if you do not feel like directly pitching to brands because you do feel like small or you're not ready to pitch, you can also use third-party type of apps such as Tribe or websites such as Aspire IQ. These are actually websites where brands actually use these websites, so you can actually like pretty much submit yourself to these brands. They review your account to see if they actually want to work with you. So they already have like the campaign laid out in detail. Sometimes they actually do have the price of how much the campaign may be. So you can actually just submit yourself and just wait for the brand to contact you that way. I actually do have a video about how I actually pitch the brands via email. I will link it up above in the cards as well as down below in the description box for you guys to check out if you have never pitched to a brand before. The fifth way on how you can actually boost your revenue during the holiday season, and this is specifically related to YouTube. If you are a YouTube content creator, I highly suggest getting into Vlogmas. Now, I am trying to do Vlogmas myself, but I have heard a lot of people say that Vlogmas do help with boosting their revenue. Vlogmas is where you actually make a YouTube video once a day for 25 days of December. So you're pretty much just making a video, a vlog, or just content in general for 25 days until Christmas. Now, I really suggest doing Vlogmas, even though I have not been doing Vlogmas, but I am trying to do it this year. I suggest doing Vlogmas, especially if you are monetized, because this is really focused on YouTubers that are monetized. I suggest to do Vlogmas just because the more video that you push out, the more YouTube pushes that towards your audience into new viewers, and the more people watch, the more revenue that you actually make on YouTube. Definitely try out Vlogmas, prep for Vlogmas, because it's definitely hard. So the sixth way on how you can actually make more revenue during the holiday season as a content creator is by doing gift guides. Doing gift guides on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, on your blog. It really doesn't matter where you do it. These can be so rewarding if you do them the right way. The reason why I said that gift guides or any type of hauls and clothing hauls can actually make more revenue for you during the holiday time, if we go back to the first thing that I mentioned, using magic links and using Rakuten, honey, using magic links when you are using gift guides can be so rewarding to you, because if it is a bomb gift guide and you use the links to all of the products that you did mention inside your gift guide, people will go back to go purchase using those links, and you will make commission off of those magic links. Also, I always recommend using your Rakuten referral link as well when you do gift guides, because obviously people do want to save a coin as well. When you mention Rakuten about them saving more money during the holiday season, you actually do earn money from them signing up with Rakuten with your referral link, and they also make money as well. So the seventh way on how you can actually make more revenue as a content creator during the holiday season is actually promoting or using your Amazon storefront. So the Amazon storefront is pretty much used mainly with influencers, where you actually make your own kind of storefront where you place products from Amazon, and don't even have to be products that you're selling yourself, but products that you purchased before on Amazon, or just recommendation type of products in your storefront, and you can categorize them by different categories such as hair products, size, equipment, whatever you want it to be. And when you put these products inside your storefront, whenever your audience or your fans actually purchase from your storefront, you actually do make a commission off of each and every single purchase that they do make. So that's one thing that I do love to use, especially during the holiday time, especially if you are doing gift guides and some of those products are available on Amazon. You can actually refer people to actually use your Amazon storefront, especially if they do have an Amazon already account or an Amazon Prime account where they have free shipping, because you know people like to use Amazon. But I do love to suggest using the Amazon storefront and promoting it to actually help build up commission whenever your audience do actually purchase from your storefront. That completes my ways on how to actually earn more revenue as a content creator during the holiday season. Like I did say before, you can actually use pretty much all of these tips all year round if you would like. This is not just specifically just for the holiday season, just certain things I did just mention for the holiday time, but most of this content can be used year round. Okay, definitely refer back to this video in 2022, 2023, because it will still be useful for you, and it will still make you some coins, more coins. Okay, so if you did enjoy this good old video, go ahead and give this video a nice thumbs up. If you have any type of questions, want to chat with me, have any type of comments, go ahead and comment down below. Let's chit chat. If you have not already, go ahead and click the red button down below. Join the Tam Kam fam, and I hope to see you guys in the next upload. Bye guys.